If not, it just says Wayne Christian's meeting room.
Mike Malachek, talk to me about Jeff Anderson, please.
Judge, we need to get an offer on him. I was notoriously absent last week, and he did not. The veterans guy, Chris, didn't think he qualified because they didn't really have a program for the problem that Mr. Anderson has. And so this is probably going to be a plea, and we need to do a little work toward that today, if I could confer with the state.
Let's reset for a week to give you time to confer. And Chris, are you still on?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
What's going on with Mr. Anderson as far as the VTC goes?
Talk to him screened, and basically based on the program requirements, what he feels he is needing help with, the VTC, would it be a good fit?
Okay. What area of help does he need? Do we know?
I need to pull up his screening stuff, Judge. I can let you know, though, as soon as I can.
I'll just talk to you after the docket. Let's just reset for a week so you can get an offer on Mr. Anderson. And during that week, I'll get with Chris and make squeaky clean sure he's not eligible for the VTC, okay?
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Thanks, Mike.
We're excused.
You bet.
Okay.
Let's see what else I can find here. Cecil, talk to me about Laura Laney. Your microphone is turned off.
There's so many buttons, Judge. Yes, we've received a plea bargain offer. We want to do a plea if we can reset it and get the paperwork.
Mr. Baines, if you can send me the email address right away, we can do it this Thursday at 2:00.
Thursday at 2.
Yes, if you can send me the email address, her email address.
Yes, ma'am. I will send that to you with a confirmation that that date is okay.
That's fine. Thank you.
Yes, that's it. Big
You're out
excuse.
here. Absolutely. Barry Hitchings, talk to me about Timothy Medina.
Who did you call, Judge?
Barry Hitchings. He's connecting to audio. Okay, we'll have to wait for Barry. Let's see. Mr. Dwiggins, talk to me about Claudia Jimenez.
Claudia Jimenez, right now I still believe she's going to need a trial, Judge.
Okay, she got 2 cases, reset her for trial.
Same with Deathridge, which is right beneath her.
Okay, Damon Deathridge, okay, reset
Yes.
for trial.
And will we get those from Ms. Benavides?
Pat.
Yes, they'll be October 18th.
Okay, and that's in person?
We hope.
Oh,
It may be reset again. Who knows?
All right, thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
yeah, let's start giving everybody the Supreme Court number. That'd be fun. Barry, can you hear me yet?
Oh, were you talking to me, Judge Barry Hitchings?
Can you talk to me about Mary Chavez, please?
Sure can. I had communicate with Guillermo Flores about an offer. He says he's not in a position to make an offer because it looks like there is a pending felony. It's unindicted.
And what is the felony? Do we know?
Well, I have some suspicions, but one is a 12-year-old son was allowed to wander off in Walmart to the electronic section, and there's an endangering a child. I don't think that quite passes muster. When I was 12-year-old, I would always wander off to the places I wanted to go to, not where my parents wanted to go.
Judge, it's for Medicaid fraud.
Oh, okay. Separate.
Your Honor, the case is at large. It's a 2016 and I don't see a prosecutor assigned to that case yet.
But it's a 2016?
That's the offense date, yes.
Oh, wow.
At large.
Wow.
Let's do this. Let's just set it for jury trial to buy us some time, and that gets to October.
Okay.
And if you can work something out, and great, good for you. And if not, then they can't do anything on it with a pending felony anyway, I'm thinking.
Okay.
And what's going on with Timothy Medina?
I've been in contact with him. This is a case where he, his mother claims that he vandalized her car, and he denies it. And when he got out of jail, he complains to me, he came back and his car had been vandalized. So I didn't think kids and parents did that to each other, but I don't know if they've been in contact with the complainant. We may end up having to set that one for jury trial.
Let's go ahead and set that for jury trial also, which buys you until mid-October probably. And if you need discovery or you need an offer or whatever, just talk to the state. Sounds like you don't need an offer. Is what it sounds.
No. I think I already have an offer, and he's saying I didn't do it, so it's kind of hard to take offers.
There you go. All right, that takes care of your two. Got any more?
Thank you, Judge.
That's it, Your Honor.
Thanks. You're out of here, Bear. Let's see.
James Hunt is on, Your Honor.
Kyle Simpson, talk to me.
Judge, I have Monica Ruiz. I think your prosecutors may have changed. I'm trying to get a new offer, and I'm also having my girl do a couple things to hopefully improve the offer. I don't know if I could get into a breakout room with one of the prosecutors to see if we can.
This is on Monica Ruiz, and you say you received an offer, but you want to fine tune it. Is that kind of where you're at?
Yes, sir.
Let's reset for a week and let's fine tune it at your ability with them, and that gives you plenty of time to do that. Will that work?
Sure. Is there a certain prosecutor assigned to this? I think it was Nicholas Maru.
Nick
It would be Guillermo Flores.
Send me an email, yes.
Okay, thank you. May I have the excuse?
You bet. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
Paul Acevedo, Your Honor, is on. He's after Simpson, sometime after.
Paulito, talk to me about Desiree Howell.
Judge, I need to get a date for a plea. I wanted to see if we could set it out, like maybe the second week of August.
Hold on. That would be the 12th.
8/12. Perfect.
At 2:00, and I need the email address.
Okay, I will send you the email address as soon as we get off the, unless you want me to chat it to you.
No, send it to me on email. It's easier for me. That way I can
Okay.
cut and paste.
Can we be excused?
You bet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, and Mr. Hunt is on. Charles Macias is on, Your Honor.
I'm looking for all of them.
Mr. Brown is on. Mr. Brindle is on. Mr. Quayer came on.
Will Williams on at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Miguel Hernandez on at this time?
No, Your Honor. That one has been reset, Your Honor.
Whatever case Will Williams had, you can let me know because we're in the same firm. So
Okay.
Joseph Acevedo ever get to us?
No, Your Honor.
John Fox ever make it?
No, Your Honor.
Excuse me, Your Honor, Charles Mays.
Yeah. Gotcha. Talk to me about Anthony Delgado.
Correct, Your Honor. Yes, could I visit with the prosecutor, Your Honor?
We don't have time for that today. I'm going to reset you for the week, and you can get with him anytime during that week. Will that work for you?
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
Have you received an offer at this time yet?
Yes, Your Honor. Uh-huh.
Okay. So let's just reset for a week for you to get a chance to talk to your client and the DAs, and then you can let Pat know what you want to do.
Okay, that'll work, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Davey Cuellar, I'm looking for you. David Cuellar, talk to me about Tamara Hurd.
Your Honor, I received the okay to apply for PCD.
Okay. Have you already put in the application?
I have not, Your Honor. I'm trying to get a hold of my client.
Just reset for a week, and if you get the application in, let Pat know, and we'll reset for 30 days. Give you time to get it in, but you got to get it in first.
Yes, sir.
All good, thanks. I got another one for you, Dave. Sarah Reyna.
And that is the same announcement, Your Honor. I've been approved to apply for a PCD, and I haven't applied yet, but I talked to her yesterday. It was the first setting.
Okay, same deal on that one. Once you get the application actually physically in, we'll reset for 30 days for them to evaluate.
Yes, sir. Very good.
All right, thanks. And let's see, Ross Brendel, let me look for you.
I'm here for McClelland.
It would be under Austin Hagee, Your Honor.
Ah, bingo. Stand by.
Are you taking it over, Mr. Lindell?
Yeah, I think we're co-counsel on it.
Okay, okay.
Technically, but yes, I will be leading the case.
Okay, that way I can, when I see it, I can put your name instead.
Yeah, and he's about 3 steps the other way out of my office, so.
Okay, what's going on with Michael McClellan?
We have I believe I'm looking discovery here, and we have the BAC test, but he told me he took a blood alcohol test, so I'm trying to, he took a blood test. I don't think those results are back for the blood test.
Let's reset you for a jury trial just to buy time. And if you get discovery in the next 30 days or whatever, and come up with another option, just let Pat know. In the meantime, you're going to be set for like October 18th. That sound right, Pat?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you have problems with discovery. The state's having really huge problems with both BCSO and SAPD getting videos and that kind of stuff. And we've always had problems with lab. So the probability exists you're not going to get discovery by October, but I'd love to be wrong.
Okay.
Okay, and Your Honor, I believe he can also let us know regarding Mr. Will Williams. They're in the same firm, and I believe Mr. Brenda can also announce that. Is that correct, Mr. Brenda?
Yes. What would
It's Miguel Vieira.
How do you spell that last name?
V-I-E-R-A.
Sorry, can you repeat D what?
V-I-E-R-A.
Okay.
There you go. Miguel.
And what's his name? His first name?
Miguel.
Okay. Okay, it looks like he has a yeah, we just don't have a hearing, I guess. We don't have a date for it, so that's probably what happened. But it's Austin Hagee is the lead attorney on it.
Mm-hmm.
But it looks like maybe we just didn't get notice of the hearing. Is this the initial arraignment?
Yep.
Or no, this has been sitting for a while.
So if you don't have an offer yet, state, fire them off an offer. Let's reset for a week for you guys to get the offer and talk to your client.
Okay, yeah, it just looks like we didn't get
Okay,
notice.
so the next one would be August 3rd. August 3rd.
Okay. And what was the date for the McLennan?
It would be October 18th for trial.
Okay, thank you. And then I also had, I know y'all are probably got a lot of emails, and But I have a client, Luis Hernandez, who has a warrant out for his
I
portable
gave all that
breathalyzer.
information to the judge. I don't know whether the judge has made a decision yet.
Okay.
Hang on, I'm looking. Where'd he go? Mr. Hernandez has a colorful past.
Yes.
There are very few misdemeanors that he's not familiar with from the looks of it. I'm gonna take a look at it. I don't have at this time access to computers and stuff, so Pat has to send it to me, but I've got the file. I'll look at it and I'll get back to you by tomorrow. Will that work?
Okay, yeah, if you look at the report, it looks like more technical than anything, but he's had it a year and a half and never had any problems with it until now. Now he's like scared to use it or it's like messing up.
Well, hang on a minute. I got a violation report on July 1. High BRAC 029. I got a violation report from March 16th. New offense. He's got what, 2 DWIs pending? Is that what we got?
I think so.
Remember, Your Honor, I believe so.
Or one.
What have I got him on that you don't want him on?
Oh, he's just on the portable breathalyzer, which he's been using for a year and a half, and he's just saying that it's like messing up on him, and he's like scared to use it. Like he'll blow it, and it'll say one thing, and then it'll say error. Or it's just like he wants to take it in to get looked at, but now he's just got a warrant out, so he's scared to do anything.
You know, they're not going to grab him for a warrant at the Smart Start place, but if you'd rather go to Scram, we can work that deal for him. Let me look at it and I'll call you.
Okay, I appreciate it, sir.
Okay.
We have Miss.
Dylan, talk to me about Arturo Vidalis, please. Dylan, can you hear me?
I'm here, Judge.
There you are.
So after talking to my client and his mother, and actually the state, I think this case needs to be transferred to County Court 12 because he has mental health issues that I think need to be addressed.
Okay, and Mr. George, I believe the process is that you need to fill out a referral order.
Okay.
Or I can fill that out, get the judge to sign it, but there is an attorney's permission that needs to be signed. We send it over to them, but I believe that they transfer it until they've been accepted into the program.
Okay.
So I can do part of it. I can send you the permission slip. We're finished here for you to sign and then get back to me. And then I'll have our clerk send the information to the mental health court.
Okay. That'll work.
Okay.
Okay, you're out of here. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
Matthew Brown, talk to me about Paul Martinez.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Got an offer from the state. I've talked to my client. He's going to accept that. So we just need a date to do it. But I would ask for a date, maybe at least a week or two from now. Part of the offer is he has to make good on getting his vehicle registration taken care of. So I didn't want to put him in a bind by having it so soon.
Okay, so if we don't do it this week, do you think he'll have it by next week on the 5th?
Oh, what day is that? I'm sorry.
It's a Thursday. We do our pleas on Thursday at 2 o'clock.
That should work.
Okay. If not, call me and let me know. But let's try for the 5th. If you can send his email address, then I can send him work. Okay.
Will do. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks. You're out of here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Kyle Ernst, talk to me about Sandra Jasso.
Yes, Judge. And we are close to a resolution. I just sent Alexis a chat. I don't know if I could go in a breakout with her. I just have a question to see if it defers on the table.
We don't have time to do that today, but I can give you another week to get with them. Will that work for you?
Okay, yeah, that's yeah, that works. Yeah, another week. Yeah, I'll shoot her an email. But we're close to We'll have
Great.
something resolved next week for sure.
Great.
And
then-
as soon as you know, Mr. Ernst, just let me know and I'll set you all up for the play, okay?
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're
All right,
welcome.
thanks.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Leslie is here, Mr. Behrens is here, Judge Behrens is here,
Wait, let's hear Pat pronounce the
I
Kennewick.
can't, Kanowitz.
Les, come talk to me and tell Pat how to pronounce your name.
I know, I can't help it.
No, well, Pat, you got to learn the cheer.
Okay, what's the cheer?
You don't know the cheer?
No.
Okay, so there's a couple of syllables in here, right? So it's sa, ha, no, itch. Okay, so I'm going to show you my video, and I'm going to teach you the cheer. Okay, so it's sa, no, itch.
Okay. All right, I'll try to remember that. So, no.
Yeah, the C's always silent. Okay, I hope we're not on YouTube, by the way.
Yes, we are.
Les, talk to me about Christian Gracia.
Christian, yes, Storm Gracia. So Guillermo and I have been conferring. I think we're close to a agreement, and so I'll probably reset it for a short period of time so I can finish conferring with my client, and we'll be able to close this thing out.
You need another week to finesse it?
Sure.
Yes, do that. Just let Pat know if you come up with a plan.
Okay, so that'll be since we're going into
Next week would be the 3rd, and I'll send you the thing probably Wednesday, Thursday.
Okay, thank you, Pat.
Judge
Remember-
Barrett is on, Your Honor.
Remember, the C is silent. Maybe
I know.
excuse.
Okay.
Pat Montgomery, talk to me about Monica Moreno.
He's having problems. He's not showing a audio, Your Honor.
We got Judge Barron's on our docket.
Yes, you do. You have Judge Barron's, Your Honor.
Oh, Bobby, talk to me about Juan Velasquez.
I'm here, he's here. There's a witness he wanted me to talk to and I reached out to, and she and I haven't had a chance to really get together. What is this? Is this a criminal mischief? What kind of case is this?
Yeah, criminal
Yeah.
mischief 100 to 750.
Yeah, apparently this woman has information that indicates that perhaps my client is not responsible. So I would like to have some time to see if I can get actually some time on with her on the phone. We've been playing phone tag.
Let's set it for a jury trial, which buys you 30 or more days.
Okay.
And if you get it resolved, or come up with a plan, tell Pat in the meantime.
Okay.
And the jury trial date will be October 18th.
Okay.
All right. And I will send you an email with that information.
All right. Great. Are we both excused?
You bet.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oscar Hernandez, I'm looking for you.
You have found me.
I'm looking for you on my document here.
I got a case number 661967.
That is on that Albanus Arevalo Ramos, Your Honor.
I'm looking. Bingo. Are y'all planning? What's going on with Mr. Arevalo Ramos?
I spoke to him again today. He called and said we hadn't spoken, but then I asked him about that. He said he must have been good. But anyway, Spanish speaker, State has generously offered to allow him to apply for PTD, so we would like an opportunity to do that, please.
Have you actually put in the application to the DA's office yet?
No. He's a Spanish speaker, so it looks like I'm gonna have to meet with him in person to fill that thing out.
Let's reset it for another week. As soon as you actually physically file it with a DA, we'll give you 30 days because that's how long it takes them to come up with a response.
Okay, that sounds great.
So just let Pat know once you got the thing filed. Otherwise, stay on our radar. We'll keep you on a weekly deal.
Okay, I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. You bet.
Pat Montgomery,
Hey, Judge, how are you?
talk to me about Monica Moreno.
I just now logged in late because I'm doing a plea in the 175th right now, and I'm on another screen with those guys. Monica Moreno is a DWI second. My notes don't reflect that I ever got an offer. That doesn't mean I didn't get an offer, but it means at least that I didn't write it down if I did. She's had one violation report. You cranked it up to 6 times a day after that, nothing since. I imagine I just need to get an offer from the state, or they need to remind me if they made one before and I didn't write it down.
Let's send him another offer. We haven't sent one yet. And let's reset for a week, Pat. And if your client has gone 30 days at 6 blows a day on the Smart Start and has no violations and hasn't missed any tests, I'll crank her back down to 4, but I won't know she's done it. You got to confirm with her that she's
Yes,
done
sir. Yes, sir. I'll tell you if it happens.
it. Okay. Otherwise, we'll see you in a week or so unless you come up with a new plan.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
Hey, take care.